What's up, everyone? This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, a Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I'm here with an amazing, new, interesting case study regarding Google Merchant Center. Now, because every case study is a new case study and a different learning, so I'm here with this another amazing insight, and that credit needs to be given to the team of my team and the Google team, who both worked hard in doing the compliance on the website. So it's always a teamwork. So I like to give credit to all those who participated in making this project a successful one. So let's get started with what was received. This was received from the client. You can see over here that the error is misrepresentation, target market France, the store name. Uh, we were initially banned for mistakenly listing two different type of shoes in a single listing, which has since been removed during subsequent reviews. The moderator seems to be focusing solely on our footer, especially our business address, rather than our listings in other areas of our store. We have 43 products listed in Google Merchant Center. However, you are free to remove these listings and displays however may you want. No replicas or counterfeit. This is an old customer, so he already has worked before us, so he has a trust build as well. So I'm going to show you as well on this as well. So you can see over here, this was the initial message. No, this is, you can see over here that this is the initial. Your product needs attention, and if I'm going to show you another, this was the suspension error, misrepresentation error over here, and because the told that they did a issue the product adding, and the surprisingly the this error came. And now, because you may be interested on how they are focusing on that, the Google crawl boot is focusing on footer because they have the heat map installed on their website. Now I'm going to show you step by step on what happened, how we got this account sorted, and how you can get it approved as well. So I'm going to start with this one. Okay, so this was the communication started with the Google team. I'm going to show you the communication as well as it's always a teamwork. So I can appreciate the team who worked hard, and this was not possible without a team effort. So you can see over here that this was suspension was done by an automated system, and I am able to pinpoint the exact reason for the suspension. I have looked into your website and the website seems fine. Okay, do not rely on the support always, because they do not. After this, we did many audits and there were a lot of changes need to be fixed. However, I found that the Google Ads account, the Google Ads was also being suspended. I will later on show you the approval plus the client review as well on this one as well. So you can see over here that when we started doing an audit reviews, we wanted to add this judge me reviews app because we wanted to meet with the quality guidelines of the Google. And also during this part, there were various audits being done by my team, and a lot of issues were being sorted out. And if you are going to start with this one, I'm going to show you the number of reviews done. Okay, so you can see over here that the grammar issues, not clickable link, the email was address was not clickable, the issues in the return policies, the images were needed to have an adult content added, no replica images, high quality images. There were some placeholders found, they were done by my team. The page speed also sorted by my team, and there were a lot of Google search console errors which were needed to be fixed. There were a lot of failed links not found, 404 links over here. Google business profile was not found out, and also I like to tell you that the Google business profile was also being suspended. You can see over here the page speed needed to be enhanced, dead link error is over there. The few of the errors were the same because a lot of team was working in back to back with them. This was the review of the shopping experience by the Google team. And now you can see that the fix means that one of the staff member has sorted out this placeholder issue. The page speed was still in error, dead link was still in error. About CV, you wanted to add the CEO information on the about us page, and few errors was over there, still over there. another placeholder was being founded, and over then search console access was also needed. I will also reveal with you the support taken to this, and this was the first rejection we faced. After reviewing this, one of the staff faced that we have reviewed the Budget Center and it remains suspended due to policy violation. We have focused so far that your account and your website do not comply with it. Okay, we have been experiencing this a lot, so we know this. So after this, there was another constant communication with done with the support as well. They thought that the website is fine. Even in the one of the first chat, they also said the website seems fine, but later on it was not being approved. So you can see over here that unfortunately Mohammed, unlinking a suspended Google Ads does not resolve the Merchant Center suspension. You need to ensure that any previously linked Google Ads account is fixed. So when we went to the Google Ads team, they said that first restore the Google Merchant Center account, and then this goes on. So the compliance so far the compliance in both is necessary. In case if the Google Merchant Center and the Google Ads both are suspended, we need to figure out both things as well. So you can see over here, and say request you to fill the form over here for the Google Ads suspension. This was another communication done by other team, and they said that we will move to your wider team, and they said that it's all automated over here, and upon checking the website seems compliant on my end, and I am not seeing any broken link, placeholder images, text on it. However, I've noticed that the Google Ads account suspended seems to be the issue over here as well, remains the issue. I'm shortlisting the famous chats. Again, there were so many audits, so many changes which were done on the website. For instance, once we figured out the time zone issues over here, that time zone over here was in 12 hours period, and if I scroll below over here, it was in the 14 hours. You can see over here on one page we were having the different time zone, and on the footer we were running the different time zone. Sometimes this can cause a suspension. So you can see that how deep we have to go for compliance, for approvals. You need to understand these things as well, that it is not an easy task to get the Merchant Center account restored. This again, it requires a teamwork. So you can see that the account was in the cool down period, and over here I'm going to show you the audits which were going on over here. You can see that the plagiarism issue was over there. Still social media details with social media pages lacked the details over here. The footer needed a registration number, shipping page needs to cut off time, CO note. We also suggested changing the font. Again, the time zone was issue over there. Refund, how you will notify the refund. Once we have received your returned items in a specified condition, we will process your refund and notify you. The question was how, this was again pointed out, this is supporting that how you will notify your customer. You need to tell it. And in return exchange, okay, if you wish to exchange an item, please return for a refund and place a new order for the desired item within 30 days of receiving your original order. Now exchange or exchanges both needs to be mentioned over here. So dead links were still able to be found. So, I mean, these are the small issues which we felt that needed an improvement. Of course, there were various reviews, various audits, various things done over there as well. I'm just showing you the one of the common things over here, how much audits, how much things needed to be done. A lot of problems, some problem issues with the fact pages, some pages while doing the whole checkout message. Guys, you need to understand that we do the trial checkout, we look on every page, we see everything, we look on Shopify, we look on WordPress, we look on every aspect to ensure that your website is compliant with Google. Image issues are also new. High quality images, original images, if you have copied from the Google, like we find out that these images were copied from Google, they will not be proved. These are your copyrighted images. You can see that all close images are plagiarized. This was also discovered by my team. So you need to understand that everything needs to be sorted. Google shipping policies needed to be approved over here. This is finally approved. And then the robots.txt file was causing issue. We needed to sort out. We needed to sort Google Merchant Center. We need to sort out the dead links over here, broken links, everything over here. So I mean, there are so many things which we did, which we had to do, which we got it sorted out from a team. I'm just shortlisting now and moving on to my approval page. And this was finally one of the students said that Upon checking, there is no suspension in this account, so it's approved. Yes, that is right. So this was an automatic approval on the account. There was no nothing, and I'm going to show you the client review as well, and I'm going to show you the account approval as well. So this was in review by my client, and they said that Ali and his team did an outstanding job resolving my Google Merchant Center misrepresentation issue. They worked diligently and provided incredibly thorough analysis of the site issues, addressing every detail. My Google Ads account also got reactivated. This is the final moment, and again, it took us a lot of time, but finally, it's a moment of joy, and I'm going to show you that the account is no longer suspended. This was a red line, but you can see the minus 43 over here, and it's in a plus 43, means the products are finally being approved. So this is another successful Google Merchant Center restoration case study. So in case if you need Google Merchant Center restoration, Google Ads restoration, Google Ads audit setup management, if your Google Ads are being disapproved, or in case you need any help with good digital marketing, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you guys. We are a Google partner company, compliance is done, so yeah, we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Take care and bye bye.